Alright, here's a quick video. Finally got out of the house. It stopped raining. Got the Dragon Link powered up. The two batteries I'm running are the 850 compacts, 3-cell parallel, and then I'm gonna do my Dragon Link. I should have it ready to go. I'm kind of anxious to fly. I haven't flown in a while, so was getting some questions about CG and I wanted to do a video. So this will probably I'll probably end up putting this in the flight, the video. So CG should be good. I don't know if balsa and EPP elevons would make that much of a difference. I'm not too sure. Balsa is fairly light. You do not want the full length, so you are going to have to cut it for prop size and whatever. But you know, cut this back and then taper it and trim it. It doesn't really need all this surface area because my control surface is just barely any movement. So yeah, should be pretty easy. But I've got a full size Dragon Link system in there in a 30 amp ESC. You know, it's probably like right on the CG line. Plus the motor's facing the back way, so it's other than facing the other way with plastic servo. So I don't know. We'll see. Transmitter right there. Do a flight video or a flight right now with the Mobius. Bam! It'll go like that. All right. Alright, let me try this again. This is I wanted to show you guys that I'm running the video the normal speed. It's just really windy during this flight, so you can see how fast it looks. That's its normal speed because it was windy, downwind, and so the Runt itself is a little shaky bastard. So yeah, don't expect to be super awesome video. It's just meant for downright shenanigans. That's all it's meant for. Obviously it's the Runt, so that's why it's crazy. It's a crazy little cat, I tell ya. And it was, again, I built it out of scraps, so I wanted to make something out of the leftover material that I had. But yeah, motor did pretty good. It's a 6.4 prop on that motor that I did previous videos where you can see it. I am going to upgrade on this new one, so yeah, did well. The CG seems to be pretty good. I had it marked at 3 3.75 back from the nose, but it's actually 4 1/4. So on this build here, plus or minus, you know, a 1/16 or whatever, but you know around there. But yeah, I'm not too sure. On the next one, I'm definitely gonna go with some better, a little bit better gear, and I might sell this one. I'm not too sure, but if you guys are interested, let me know. All you gotta do is message me, or go to my Facebook or my website, sweepwings.com. Message me there, and you know, see what I got. I got some stuff left over. I'll do a custom build if you guys are interested. But like this one, if I build another one, you know, then I got to get rid of this one because then I can't hoard all my planes. But anyways, just let me know. This is a quick video of me goofing around in the wind. Alright guys, this is the end of this video here. I just want to make sure you guys hit the like and the subscribe button. Tell your friends, go to my Facebook page, hit the like button over there, and yeah, that way you guys can stay informed of what's going on. Later guys, thanks. Alright, it's freaking gusty up there, but it's fun.